If you want to unlink your Expedia account from Facebook, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into your Expedia account. Visit the Expedia website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account that is linked to your Facebook. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the page. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled linked accounts or social media connections. This is where you can manage connections to other platforms like Facebook. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate the option for Facebook within the linked accounts section. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect. Click this option to remove the connection. Step 5. Confirm the unlinking. After clicking to unlink, you may be prompted to confirm your choice. Follow any additional instructions to finalize the disconnection from Facebook. After completing these steps, your Expedia account will no longer be linked to your Facebook account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Expedia customer support for assistance.